Let's make coffee. My outfit isn't ugly, guys. It's only ugly if you think it's ugly, and that's just your problem, not mine. I'm comfortable. Okay. Can you even see anything I'm doing? Wow. I'm taking my entire drawer. I'm taking these. My sad beauty blender. Look at my outfit. My wet and happy beauty blender. This is my setup. We're getting personal right off the bat. I have been having a period like every 2 weeks. Don't self-diagnose me, please, dear God, do not do that. So basically, my last 2 periods were 11 days apart. You know, for any of you that have periods out there, it's you PMS before your period, at least I do. So this is literally so personal. Like the week before my period, okay, what is happening here? Do you see where there's like a line? So like the week before my period, I'm like, that's when I get emotional and irritated. It's not really on my period, it's before it. That happens every time, right? And it's annoying right now because it's like when my period is that close together, I have like 1 week where I felt perfectly fine and then I felt all annoyed again and like PMSing. The bleeding part of my period doesn't bother me. It just doesn't. I'm like, whatever, human nature. Okay, what is happening to my face? That's just like what we do, so it doesn't bother me. It's the emotional part that bothers me because I'm like, dude, I don't want to feel like crap. I'm like, I don't want to feel like this. I don't like being really overly emotional or upset or sensitive. Like, I'm like, okay. So that's been going on in my life. So I've just noticed that I've been getting irritated easily, and it's because I'm PMSing again. So thank goodness. But anyways, if any of you have dealt with this before, just tell me your experience. Please don't self-diagnose me though. Don't tell me I have something or something's wrong with me because that'll hurt my feelings. If you've dealt with this before and you've made it through and it was just like normal, can you just make me feel better? That's what I'm looking for, I think. So that's my first girl thing I've been dealing with. Ooh, super fun. It's really fun. Oh yeah, so today I went out to the pool and I made sure to write down I am affirmations. Like, I am capable, I am worthy, I am loved, I'm successful, I'm this, I'm that. It made me feel so much better. You guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel pretty just confident with myself overall. I love myself. I know that I'm a great catch. I know I'm the best. I mean that in not a cocky way, just like, I love who I am. I'm so proud of who I am and I'm gonna rock the fuck out of this, you know? Because I've been PMSing every other week, I've been noticing that I'm just like, ugh. I've just like had to really reaffirm those things to me and be like, you're great, you're wonderful, you can do it. I think that everybody, you know, sometimes you just need that extra reminder anyway. I haven't used this foundation in a while. I can't decide if I like it or not. The Maybelline one. I think I do like it. Okay, so after I do my foundation and bronzer and brows, then I just spritz that with some makeup setting spray. I always do that before I do mascara and lips just because, wow, I really don't have very many steps in my routine. Foundation, bronzer, brows, mascara, and lips. I have a 5-step routine. Get out of here. That is, I'm really the best, I'm telling you. See, that's how I talk to myself normally. And then the PMS hits and I'm like, bitch, cool it. You guys, I haven't touched a lip gloss before that I've literally been thinking about making my own lip gloss. So if you think that I should do that, let me know because I am dying to. I think it would be the best of all time. I want to own my own business somehow, but I just don't know what I would want to do because there's so many things that I like. Like, I love lip gloss. I'm obsessed with it. I've been like on the hunt for the best lip gloss in the world and I was like, I should make my own. But then it's like, I always wanted like a swimsuit or a lingerie brand. That's something I've wanted my entire life. So I'm like, I don't know. Anyways, oh, you know something else I've noticed I've been doing recently, you guys? I actually had like 2 different friends be like, dude, are you okay? I used to be the friend that would tell all my girlfriends like every inch of my life, like this happened, this happened, this happened. And just as I've gotten older, I've just shared less and less. Not because I don't want to share, but just because I really am valuing just having privacy, which is something that I just didn't really have before because I would just be like, I'm such a talker. I'm like, here's everything, you know? Anyways, and I just noticed how much peace that I'm finding with the less that I share. I just find that as I get older, I find peace in my privacy. Does that make sense? Oh my God. Okay, so these are my favorite glosses right now. I got them off of Amazon. I love this. I love the gloss of this, but the applicator, I'm not a big fan of this type of applicator. I never have been. It's just like not my jam. I put a little bit of this on this wand. This is like a fat jumbo wand from Revlon because I'm out of their clear gloss. Do you see that? There's like nothing left. So I just use this to smear it about, and I just feel like, see, this is why I need to create my own gloss, because I just know what I like. I also really like this gloss. This has like a lot of shimmer in it. But what I like to do with this one is I just dab it right in the middle, and it just gives this like a reflex. I also really like this mascara. Pixie sent it to me. It's their large lash mascara. I really like it. Makeup, slayed. Let's do our hair. Now the question is, how should we do our hair today? Should I do like a little wave to the hair today? I haven't done a wave in a while. Let's do that. Let's turn on some music. Should I play you guys my playlist? Lay your head on my pillow. Ooh, ooh. Wait, I want more Beyonce. I think that's where I'm at right now. You ready, B? Young B, cruising down the west side highway. We don't doubt yourself, trust me, you need me. This ain't a shoulder with a chip brain. Let me upgrade you. I forgot about this song till TikTok the other day. No. Yes. Okay, hair's done. Do I look gorgeous? Okay, you guys, I picked out my outfit. I'm really nervous to show you. It's brand new, and I hope you guys like it. This is the blanket from my couch. I can't decide what to wear. So yes, I will be wearing the blanket from my couch for the rest of the remainder of the day. Oh my gosh, wow. Yep, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. The truth is I'm just waiting for the sun to go down a little bit more so I have more of like the golden hour glow because I need to take photos. But hi guys. So I'm popping on here. I have no makeup on. I'm in a PJ shirt, hair in a bun. We're chilling right now. I'm editing this video, but I wanted to pop in here and just say thank you so much for watching. I felt like this video kind of ended abruptly. This kind of weird video. I didn't really plan on like filming this day, then I was like, oh, do a get ready with me, and then I also played you my playlist, and then it just kind of ended. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're liking more of these like vlog style videos because I'm really enjoying them. They feel more raw and real to me. So let me know if you want me to keep up with videos like this. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Mwah! Bye guys.